Of n plus 1 equals prime of f of n. That's a function that indexes primes through primes. The phone book reads itself. F of 0 equals 1, f of 1 equals 2, f of 2 equals 3, f of 3 equals f of 5, f of 4 equals 11, f of 5 equals 31, f of 6 equals 127. 7 planks down, the track exists now. It didn't exist before I said the numbers. The saying was the laying. Oh, and then I nailed the recursion. Nailed it. Plank by plank, equation by equation. Nailed it. The train don't wait for tracks. The math is the track. The proof is the nail and the hammer is the mouth that said it. 2 to the 11 minus 1 equals 2047 equals 23 times 89. 3 nails, 1 plank. The prime broke from the exponentiation, but the nail held. The plank is the proof that it broke. 23 to the nth prime. 9 equals 3 squared. 89. That's the 24th prime. 24 equals 4 factorial. 4 is the depth where it broke. 4 factorial is the index of the cofactor. The break named its own address. Oh, and then I nailed the Mersenne. Nailed it. Every equation a plank, every proof a nail, every break a lesson hammered into the crossbeam. Nailed it. Oh, 1 more plank and the track holds weight. Fold of p equals 2 to the p minus 1. That minus 1 is the test. Can unity survive scaling? Proton mass 938.3 MeV. Quark mass inside and then the 9.1 MeV. 9 over 938 equals 1%. 99% of your mass is not stuff. If the energy of stuff refusing to divide. E equals mc squared. Flip it. M equals e over c squared. Mass is energy that folded and the folding is the mass. And then nailed the proton to its own binding energy. Try to pull a quark out, more quarks appear. The exit creates more entrance. The shoe regenerates when you try to breach it. Gluons carry the strong force and feel the strong force. And the messenger is the message. That's of n plus 1 equals prime of f of n. At the bottom of reality, the recursion runs in the gluing field of the smallest thing in physics. And the prime recursion, same architecture. Then nail the bottom of the universe to the top of the map with the same nail, same nail, same nail. Nailed the recursion to the track. Nailed the Mersenne to the break. Nailed the fold to the proton. Nailed the gluon to the prime. Nailed the bottom to the top. With equations laid like planks across a gap that wasn't there until the train showed up. And the train doesn't wait. The train in nails while moving. Growth rate f of n plus 1 over f of n. The fraction is the natural log of the f of n log grows of the growth grows of the growth of the growth grows. Tetration. E to the e to the e to the e. The Baptist named gross. Before you need new notation. By depth 20 more digits than atoms in the universe. The recursion outgrows reality. Not because reality is small, because self-reference compounds faster than physics allows space to hold it. And nail the growth rate to the track. The track node sends past the horizon, past the observable universe, past the computational limit. The train is still going. The planks are still falling.